Hi there, this is Diecast channel, and in this video I'm going to show you this 1970 Dodge Charger RT SE that's made in a 1/18 scale by ERTL Authentics. So if you like those Mopars, stay with me to the end of this video because this car is really interesting. And also, don't forget to subscribe my channel to give me a thumbs up and click the bell for news. So let's unbox this car and take a better look at it. So in here we have the 1970 Charger, one of the most beautiful Chargers I've ever seen. And one thing that's very interesting about this car that changes from 1969 is the front end with a bumper that's integrated to the grille instead of having the grille and a bumper just like in 1969. But the rest of the car is pretty much the same. The seats are a little different. The interior has some little different details, but in general the car is pretty similar to what we have for 1969. Charger for 1970 was a very nice car, really, and as I've said before, it's just a little different from 1969. The tail lights are almost the same, but the trim is a little different, and the Charger RT badge between the tail lights is different. The front grille is different with this bumper that goes all the way around it, and the design of the grille is also different from 1969. And there's also that fake air intake on the front door, which differs from 1969 as well. This car is a very attractive car, and this license plate we can read "Go Man Go." That's also referring to the mango orange color of this car. As we can see, all details in this car were made with perfection, and no single detail was missed. So now we're going to take a better look at all the details. As we look at the front of this car, we can see we have a brushed aluminum finishing around the grille and side the bumper, and the hidden headlights that really open here in this model car. I'm not going to show it, but works the same way as that 1968 Charger I've shown before. The Charger RT logo right here is made with perfection. The grille mesh is also very well made. Those lights here below the grille are also perfect, as well as this license plate, the hood latch right here, and the hood itself, and the engine and engine bay are also made with perfection. This car has a 440 Magnum engine, which is made in Hemi Orange. So we can take a better look at it. As we look at the engine bay, we can see factory stickers, coil spring hinges, firewall with all details, brake system, the air filter, distributor and cables, reservoir, the other cables, the hoses, radiator hose, cap, front panel, the warning stickers, the latch. So all details were all put in here with perfection. And as we take a closer look, we can see distributor, alternator, exhaust manifold, valve covers, intake manifold, and a 440 Magnum badge, and the air filter pin. The hood is also perfect, and it opens and shuts correctly. There are no misalignments, no gaps at all. As we open the driver's door, we notice it opens just like the one in a real car. The dashboard looks like the one in a real car with a wood grain pattern. Wall-rod 3-spoke steering wheel, and the gauges are all made perfectly. The door features a lock in the door panel, and the door handle and lock are separate pieces, as well as a mirror and a vent window. Seats tilt, and interior is all made with carpet. We can also see the pedals, gas, brake, and clutch, and a parking brake a little more to the left. So there's a mechanical transmission. And we can take one more look at the gauges. There's an LC logo here that stands for Special Edition, and the Chrysler logo that refers to the three divisions. That's Chrysler, Dodge, and Plymouth. We also have a gas cap just like we had in 1968 and 1969. And the fins. The rear of the car for 1970 changes from 1969. There's this trim that goes all the way around the taillights and the Charger RT badge between them. The lock here is a separate piece. The trunk lid is very well aligned, and very well made as well. The reverse lights and dual exhausts are made with perfection, just like this bumper with the bumper guards are also very well detailed. If we open the trunk lid, we can see in the trunk lid some instructions for a jack, trunk lid latch, spare tire, and gas tank pipe, and a floor mat that's made in plastic and real car. As we take a look at a passenger door as it's open, we can see the wood grain pattern on the dashboard and also the gear lever and the central console as well, and the seat that tilts. Door panel, door lock. It's actually a lock. It actually locks the door right there. Very well made. And the seat belts with the buckles, the vent window, no trims, lock, and all details are supposed to be here. Handle and lock are different pieces. So this is a very nice feature of those ERTL Authentics. There's also a headliner and a dome light, and visors and mirrors. As we look at the base of this car, we can see that is made with perfection. It's a unibody, so we can see the bottom of the car and the front structure, the difference between the Hemi orange and the mango orange, steering system that actually steers the front and rear suspensions that actually work, a drive shaft that actually spins, and the mufflers and a gas tank, which are made with perfection. So this car is really a top quality model car. ERTL has done an excellent job on it. So from 0 to 10, I would give this car a 10 with no doubts. This model car is excellent, the car is excellent, and I see no issues at all in this model car. All details are made with perfection, with accuracy, and with quality. And ERTL has done a very good job on this car, and I would really advise for all Mopar fans to get a Dodge like this one. Not necessarily this model, but a 1970 Charger, because it's really worth having in a Diecast car collection. So I'd like to thank you for all likes, for all views, for all subscriptions. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, to give me a thumbs up, to let me know in your comments what you think about this car and about this video, and also click the bell for news. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.